How to enable or disable autoplay video on Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable autoplay for videos in Canva. Whether you are creating a presentation, social media post, or any video project, knowing how to control autoplay can be very useful. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Canva app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And after that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on your profile. And now after that, on the new page, simply tap on the option label settings. And once you see the interface like this, again simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And this time from the pop-up menu, simply tap on accessibility. Now here, once you are in your accessibility section, simply scroll down and here you can see the option labeled autoplay videos. So simply tap on that. Now from the pop-up menu, you can see three options. So to enable the autoplay on Canva, you simply have to tap on autoplay videos on, but if you have to disable the autoplay video, you just have to tap on autoplay videos off, and that's it. That's how you can enable or disable autoplay for videos in Canva. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.